It's been school holidays here in New Zealand, so I thought I would make the kids their own little steam engine. So, having just finished watching Blondihacks Wobbler build, I thought I'd give it a go myself, and this is how it turned out. It was all built on my Myford ML7, and it's been built out of bits of scrap I had lying around in the workshop, and some other bits and pieces that I got from my local engineer. The engine ran first time, which was really good, and I then disassembled it and gave it to the kids to put together.
Try and put the like a washer on and then put. Go! Go? Oh, yeah. One more time. Go! 3, 2, 1, go to the top of that.
No. I didn't do it to the top. Now, 3, 2, 1,
Go!
I've left enough space on the board next to it, hopefully, so I can mount up a little boiler, or I might make up some little implements that the engine can run so that the kids can watch that happening. It took me about 16 hours to build over 4 nights. Easy enough to build though, simple plans. So if anyone else is going to give it a go, why not? It's nice to have a working little engine.